Hi, I got pair of cork drops. Got a customer dropped off for me to do. You wanted black soles. You wanted the Nike check black. You wanted the full checks black. You wanted the penny logo black. Well, the final product. Better looking. It look good. Supposed to look on the Nike check. If you want a pair done, give me an email and we'll work something out.